guys, so right now we're cruising with Carlo. He's got the Vet. I put some new octane booster stuff in. I put the octane booster in here and see how it does. I'm gonna go fill up too. That's where we're headed right now. Pop's nice. Low life problems. Now the octane booster isn't obviously going to make my car stupid fast if it's not tuned for it, but it will guarantee that your car is making the max amount of power with the setup that it has. So I put a little bit in right now. When I get to the station, I'm gonna fill up the rest, and we'll see if it makes a difference. I don't know when it's gonna kick in. Pop's nice though. Does it pop a lot? Does it pop a lot?
Yeah, it's really loud too. Like really loud.
Obnoxious? Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Almost there. Like you're like obnoxious is right here. You're like right there.
Did you say swing it?
Huh?
Did you say swing it? Your cousin. The Camaro. The cousin of that car. Man, the Vet breaks everyone's neck. The Vet. Yeah, it's the blue. That's facts. This light takes forever. That's still loud, bruh.
Does it sound good?
Yes, I got it on camera. It doesn't sound loud in there, I bet though.
I mean, it sounds pretty loud, but it's nowhere near like.
Yeah, no, it's loud. Trust me.
I was surprised.
It sounded nice. It's because it's cold still. Someone revving? Is it? No, it's behind. Everyone's revving, bro. That was a clean. That was so close. I know at the top end. Did you hear the flame? It spit a flame, bro. That was probably the best. You were pulling, and then once I hit 4th gear, it started pulling top end. Oh my god. That was yeah. I waited a little bit because I was spinning. Dude, that was a good ass race. That happened in Mexico. Oh my. Hey, the Cobra did hella good, but for stock, that fast. I know. I waited though, just a little bit. Hey, top end, that's when it started pulling. Yeah. Yeah, that was crazy. Probably the best race ever. That he was pulling and then the Cobra got the top end. The vlog. What's up, Dylan? Yes, sir. As you guys can see, we're gonna put in some max boost. Let's not transpose. So it's supposed to add like what, 3 octane numbers, which is what, gonna be like 95 octane or something like that. But we'll give it a shot. What's up?
Yeah, how you doing, bro?
Dude, I haven't seen you in a quick or something like that. I don't know. But the tune's running perfect now for sure.
That shit was good. What gear did you start in second?
Second, and then I granny shifted to third, and then I did a no lift shift to fourth, and then fifth I spit. There's a big pop, I don't know if you heard it. At the end. Man, it's 380 here. That's pretty expensive. The vet looking clean. My heart's still pounding from that, bro. Like it was just, that was a good one.
That was like one of the best races.
I know, because you were pulling, and then once I was still in fourth gear though, and it was like at the top it started pulling. But you know,
if it was a longer straight, I think you would have still won.
Yeah, but that was still good. I mean, I still didn't even hook really, but it was definitely a good race. All right, full tank. How much was that? $45 for 12 gallons. It's what, 380? That's pretty expensive though. But we'll update you guys on where we go next. That's bad about drop top is even if it's cool weather, you still get beat on by the sun, and it sucks. Hey, the people next to you keep staring at me, bruh. The people next to you keep staring at me.